So opening this up, you can see what a really quality product it is. When I first received the other one, and I've used it for a couple of years now, I was so pleased with it, and I was really impressed with the quality of the unit. So here's the case for it, and we've got in here, we've got the cables for being able to use it. I really like this cable. This is the one that that plugs in and allows you to kind of stay close to your GoPro without any problem. This is a bag, I believe, for storage. Yeah, so we'll set that off to the side. Nothing else in the box there. And of course the manual. And I'll set this over here off to the side. We'll come back to that. So let's open these guys up. These little things right here are kind of funny. They're the windscreen basically for the microphones, built-in microphones, and they look like little fishing flies. It's kind of interesting, but they do a really good job of muffling the air when you're outside. So it's one of the really good things I like about this set. So there's two of them because you have two microphones built into this kit. Cable, obviously here. And this is the charging cable. It's a USB-C cable. Keeps your units charged up. Yeah, C to C, USB-C to C, and owner's manual here. And then here's the actual Anker unit. You'll see in the back there's a charging port here for USB-C, and then this is the case for the unit. So when you first open it up, I'm sure you'll be as impressed as I was. It's already charged. Literally just took it out of the box, and it looks like it's charged up and ready to go. Saw the lights come on when I first opened up the box. So this unit has a built-in battery. So you charge it with USB-C, and then this can be in your case with your GoPro, charged up and ready to go when you need it. So what you have in here is you have the base that can connect to either an iPhone. So you've got a USB-C charger connection here for the unit, and you've got this Apple type connection. So you can plug this directly into an Apple. I don't use either one of these. I usually leave them in my case, and I charge this with the USB-C, and this is designed to basically mount on top of your GoPro like so. So if the unit's charged up, let's see, we'll turn it on. It may need to charge for some period of time. Yeah, it looks like the batteries may be dead on these guys. Okay, we'll turn this unit on. There you go. You can see as it comes up. And what we'll do, we're going to select our language. You can go through this. We'll select English. Check mark there. Swipe down to set your transmit. Swipe to the right, it's showing you how to use your swipe buttons. Okay. And then connect to the transmitters. Take these out. First transmitter, turn it on. You can see the little blue light comes on, and you can see your mic levels on there. So this is the mic, testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. You you can see how that works. So I put that one back in here. Remove this shipping tape to protect the connections. So there you go. So that one's in the charger, and we'll also take this one off, put this one in the charger. And what you'll notice when you connect the second one, I'm going to turn on the second one here. As soon as it's on, it's going to give you two of them. You'll see two of your levels on here. So you have two microphones. Like I said, you can turn these off, or you can keep them in your case. When your case is closed, it'll shut off automatically. So the nice thing about this is, if you put this in your GoPro survival bag, you can shut it. It'll tell you how much charge it is, and actually it's off inside of there. I'm going to open it up so you can see it come on when you open it up. But I've literally leave this for weeks at a time inside, and it maintains a charge and ready to go. Like I said, if you turn these guys off, they will go off when you close the case, but they'll be permanently off if you power them down. And the quality is really good. Now these little guys here are replaceable, these covers, and I didn't see it in this kit. I think they're here. Yeah, they're here inside of this. So what there is if you want to have like a mic 1 and a mic 2 setup for your say you're out and you don't want to get the mics confused, you want your primary mic to be, you have couple different colors here that you can put on the mic. So you got a gold and a green, and two black ones. I usually just leave the two black ones on because I can see in here which one's coming on to which channel. This is channel 1, obviously, and you can tell by you turn it off and you'll see which one goes away. Leave you with channel 1 on this one now. So I really like these little lenses, or little color code things, and basically all you do is you just twist it a little bit, and you'll be able to take that off and replace it with the new one. It's really kind of a cool little thing, cool little touch. Alright, so mounting it to your camera, pretty straightforward. You get this guy, put this right onto your GoPro, like so, and that's it. And you get this little cable for your audio, and you can plug this directly into your GoPro, like so. And you'll be able to turn it on, and what you'll get then is you'll have microphone now at a distance. You can take this pretty far away. I mean, I literally go hundreds of yards away with this, and I'm able to record without any issues, and even in high wind environment. These little guys will come off. These little things, they twist. You can twist them to the left or to the right if you want the mic to be more up towards you or more out. You've got that. You do have a connection for a microphone that you can plug in, and it also gives you the ability to plug in your windscreen. So basically do this right over your microphone, like so, and you can just pin it on the pocket of your shirt or inside your shirt or wherever you want to put it so it's near somebody. And you'll have the other microphone that you can hand, like if you're doing an interview or something, you can have this one on your body and then put the other one on the person that you're interviewing. And the nice thing is you can move around and you don't have to worry about it. Really great little setup. Like I said, I liked it because it's, the camera, it's resident on the camera here, and you can see when it's working. And then I have my my GoPro power station here, so I'm able to run everything really simply, really easy. Nice product. And and I like it. So this is one of the best products I've seen. It's very comparable to anything you might see by the DJI version, which I think is about 2 or almost 3 times the cost of this. Like I said, this was a fantastic deal on Amazon for me. So put the link down in my YouTube here, and you can see it. But the quality is good on this. This thing's sturdy. This is metallic. I was trying to find something that I could tap on it so you can see. Might be plastic. It feels metallic. Very well made, very well built. The connections are really great. Don't have any issue with it. You know, can't really put the windscreen on when it's in the case. And to be honest with you, I don't use the windscreens very often, only when it's really, really windy. But for the most part, I can just use them like this. When you do put them in the case, make sure they're not turned like this, or they won't charge. So you need to make sure that the little charging posts are available to touch on these guys here, and just drop them in. And like I said, it'll stay charged. Just make sure you get the orientation right when you put it in on your unit. And like I said, I love this thing. It's a great unit. Really easy to put on your camera. Really easy to get off. Now, if you decide you want to use it going into an iPhone, I can show you how that works. I don't use it that way very often, but it's a pretty easy connection. You basically peel off that little sticker protection under there, and then you take your little adapter here, and depending on the orientation you want, you just twist it like so, and probably be this way be best. Get it back on there again. Okay, there we go. And then you can plug it directly into an iPhone, like so, and give you some idea of how it looks directly into the iPhone. So just plug it right in. And it's not really heavy, a little awkward, very sturdy though. Doesn't, you know, I don't feel like I'm going to lose it or anything. Definitely got to give it some, you know, pretty good pull to get it out. So it does seem like a really good fit. But like I said, I don't use this with my iPhone very much. Usually it's with my GoPros. And it would work with any camera. They also have the ability here for you to use it with the USB-C, so you should be able to plug it directly into something that's a USB-C input. Same way, same connection point that goes on there, and it'll rotate and lock in either orientation depending on which direction you want it to face. Here you go, and that's it. Really easy to get off, and like I said, real compact portable unit. Love it. So you want to get one, check it out in the link below. Amazon carries it, and you know, they have this one's in black. They do have the exact same unit in white. It's got a little rubber, you know, foot on the bottom here to kind of grips really well. Pretty substantially heavy. Obviously you could tell there's a battery. There's battery in there, and this is a padded case, so it has a very, the whole thing is just a good quality feel to it. Very durable. Like I said, it's in my GoPro case, and once it's in there, it's in there. And if you weren't sure that I already own it, and I'm giving you a review that I don't believe, here's my the one I've had for years. This one's well used, and like I said, can't beat them. And now I'm doing a lot more videos and vlogging, that kind of thing. So I needed a second one for this camera, so I'll be able to cover different angles. But like I said, fantastic unit. If you get it, you won't be disappointed. So that's that one. more item to add for anybody who's curious. The model's an M650. That's the model the Anker is, M650 wireless mic. And it's also one of the advantages of this one is these are on different channels. So you don't have to worry if you open this one that it's going to connect to this one. It connects with the pairs that it's matched to. And I believe you can rematch them if you want, but there's no interference between these units. Using them now is another big plus. So, like I said, love it. If you're looking for something like this, you can't go wrong. I was very pleased with them when I got them. There was, like I said, quite a price difference between this and the next really nice version of this. These aren't like inexpensive, cheapy little microphones that you find online. These are, they're substantial, good quality, and range is good. Dynamics are good on them, and I really don't think you'll be disappointed. All right, thank you.